All right, so now let's continue with today's lesson. Let me share screen first. All right, same thing. You all know the rules. Can you all see? All right, can you all see now? Okay, so I believe you all can see my screen. Okay, so it's the same thing. All right, you all know what to do already. So keep your video on, mute your microphone. If you have something to say, go to the chat function and write things down there. I'll be able to see what you wrote. Okay, and also the next thing is if you have something urgent to say, right? Please raise up your hand. I can see you. Then you'll be able to speak to me. If you need to go to the toilet, please just quickly go to the toilet. All right, and come back after that and be respectful and mindful of your classmates and your teachers. All right, so this is the house rule. Let's move into the very first part of our lesson. Okay. All right, so today our main focus is on weight. All right, weight is mainly about kilograms and grams. But before that, you know that I always start off with one extra question. All right, and this one extra question is related to this. All right, can both of you take out a piece of paper or your math exercise book and give it a try first? All right, and go to the chat and give me the answer. Go to the chat and give me the answer. All right, the first person who can give me the answer will be able to get some points in the class dojo. I'm still using that. All right, I'll give the points in the class dojo portion. All right, go and try now. All right, Shiloh, this is a good question for you to learn how to, just now what you say. Yeah, we can revise that here. All right, try quick. Don't say out the answer. Go to the chat and type your answer, please. All right, you can use you cannot use your calculator. Oh, Rudran got the first answer out already. Very good, good job. Go and find the second part of the answer, please, Rudran. Oh, very good. All right, good job, Rudran. All right, so Rudran is the first person who got it out. So I'm going to give you your 5 minutes before attendance point. I'm also going to give you the participating points. Okay, very good. Shiloh? Oh, Shiloh got the first one out also. Very good. Shiloh, good job. How about the second one? So Shiloh came in also. She got the attendance point. She came in 5 minutes earlier. And also she is participating and she's getting the answer. I can see that. And Shiloh is the only one who did her homework, the worksheet, which will give her points also down here. Good job, Shiloh. Okay, so both of you actually got part A correct. That's good. That's good. All right, so let me do a quick go through. We have Baker Tan who baked 770 cupcakes. This is actually the total cupcakes. She packed 8 cupcakes in a box. So inside one box, right? Inside one box can only fit what? 8 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Oh, number 2 a bit wrong, Shiloh. But just listen, just listen. Inside every box can fit 8. Every box inside can fit 8. So you all understand the question, right? Inside every box can fit 8. Question is saying, all right, how many boxes does she need? So you all got the first part correct. You all got 770. That's a total cupcake. Divide by inside one box got 8. Inside one box got 8 means what? Divide by 8. And Shiloh, this is how you do your division. Let me show it to you, Shiloh. 770 you put inside here. Divide by 8. Okay? You ask yourself, 8 times what equal to 7? 8 times what equal to 7? Down here, there's a box down here. 8 times what equal to 7? Don't have. Because 8 times 1, right? The smallest number is a 8. 8 times 1 is a 8. So if there's nothing, right, you put nothing. Nothing means 0 lah. 8 times 0 is a 0. All right. So 7 minus 0 is a 7. Bring down the next number, 7 here. All right. Now you ask yourself, this is part of your 8 timetable. If you want, you can write down your 8 timetable. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 50, 6, 64, 72, and 80. All right, this is your 8 timetable. So you look at the numbers. 77 is closest to which number? 77 is actually closest to 80, is it? But 80 will be overshot already. So 77 is actually closest to 72. You don't want it to be overshot, right? So 72. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 times 9. So 8 times 9 is 72. After that, you do a subtraction. 77 minus 72 will give you a 5 here. Bring down the 0. All right. So 8 times what is 50? Shiloh, look. 50 is closest to who again? Can you see that 48 is closest? Must be lesser than 50. So 48 is closer. So what you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 times 6 is actually 48. And down here, if you subtract away, there is a remainder of 2. Is that true? So what does the 96 represent? This 96, right, represents 96 what? 96 boxes. 96 boxes of 8 cupcakes each. And there is what? How many cupcakes were left? Shiloh, why your answer is so weird? Do you want a second try? What's the part B?
Answer.
Sorry?
What's her answer?
Never mind. Shiloh, what is the remainder cupcakes left? Looking at my working, what do you see? You have 96 boxes, right? And how many remaining cupcakes are left? Shiloh? Are you there, Shiloh? Can you see that there's a remainder of 2 down here? The question is asking how many cupcakes were left, right? All right. So you can put all the cupcakes into 96 boxes. One box got 8 cupcakes. All right. But there are still some left over. So what's the leftover? Leftover is 2 lor. Can you see? Leftover is 2. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Cannot, Shiloh. Huh? So do you still remember how to divide or not? Yes, right. Okay, maybe a quick question down here. Just now I did say I want to test you on some division. All right, so maybe I give 2 questions. All right, I will allow you all to annotate. All right, so maybe both of you can try to do the division here. All right, so this is for Shiloh. And this is for Rudran.
Do what division?
Division. All right, so I'll
Long
give
division?
Yes, long division. So I'll give you the question. All right, and I will allow you guys to annotate. All right, and you can try your best to do on it. How's that sound?
Good.
Okay. Annotation is on. Okay, so let's see. For Shiloh, can you start off with this first? Okay, and Rudran. It's not a race. It's not a race. It's not a race. No, Rudran, I'll give you another question, different question. Can you erase away your, okay, thank you. He come? It's not a race, Shiloh and Rudran. Just do your best, right, to see the long division. Right, it's a good thing to recap a little bit. Rudran, you okay what? How come you erase away? Oh, you make it smaller ink, okay? Shiloh, you know how to annotate, right? Okay. You can do the question on the left. Just for practice, huh? Not a race, not a race. Okay, Rudran, you're working fine. Good job. Shiloh, need help? Okay, come, let's look at the question here. Okay, so for example, they ask you 9 times what down here, all right? So down here is the first box down here. All right, Shiloh, can you on your volume, please? Or can you please unmute yourself? Okay, so maybe you can ask me, you can tell me 9 times what is 4? 9 times what, you tell me? Got or not? 9 timetable, 9 times what is 4? Is there anything?
36.
Ah, very good, very fast. You jump to the next one already. So you say that 9 times 4 is 36. Wow, you're even faster than me. All right, I was thinking of 9 times 4 is 0, but you jump to the next step. Okay, it's okay, don't worry. So 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, now you count upwards, Shiloh. Count upwards. 36, you count what? So I count 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 7. So there's a remainder of 7 here, right? So what must you do to the 2 down here? What must you do? Tell me, Shiloh.
Bring down.
Very good. So if you bring it down, you are left with a 72, right? So 9 times what is 72? Do you know?
8.
9 times 8 is 72. Just now we did down here, right? Down here. Correct. So 9 times 8 is 72. So down here is 72, lor. So is there a remainder? No remainder, right? Woohoo! So your answer is 48, lor. Right? Is that simple? Is it difficult or not?
A bit.
A bit lah. Okay. Can I show you the Rudran one? Rudran, you got it right. Good job. All right. Can you unannotate yourself, please? Rudran? Thank you so much. Can you erase your answer? Your answer is correct. Thank you so much. Okay, so Shiloh, ready? Ready? Okay, so down here we have 4,032 divided by 6. So 6 times what is 40? What do you think? What's the nearest? 6 timetable.
6.
Very good. So 6 times 6, right, is actually a 36. Is that true? All right, so what is 40 minus 6? You count upwards. 37, 38, 39, 40. So there's a remainder of 4, right? So tell me, Shiloh, what do you do with the 3 at the side of the 0?
Bring down.
Thank you. So down here, you ask yourself, 6 times what is 43? Think of the 6 timetable. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6, sorry? After 36 is what? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, right? 6 times 7 is what? 42. Is that true? Shiloh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the remainder here?
No remainder.
43 minus 42, there is a remainder.
Yeah.
Is a what?
1.
1. Then what do you do with the top 2?
Bring down.
Okay, now tell me, 6 times what is 12?
2.
Very good.